Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you how I made some turkey chili in the Instapot. Now, I wanted to preface by telling you that this may not look pretty, especially throughout the footage. You'll see it's like essentially meat soup, but don't let the looks fool you. It's freaking delicious, and I know I say that about everything I make, but that's only because it's true, so you know it is what it is. There's a quick tip that I wanted to share with y'all. So right when the chili is done cooking, and you'll see in the footage, I'll also drop in a little note, you'll need to season it to taste. I find that you'll only need to really add in chili powder, the ground cumin, and some salt. But other than that, it's super quick. I think it only took me about 30 minutes, and you know, the Instapot's doing the legwork, so really it took me no time. And to make y'all feel better, this recipe is healthy-ish. And really, now that I think about it, there's not anything in it that's bad, minus the sour cream that I added in the end, but hey, whatever. So other than that, enjoy, and also let me know down below, guys, if you guys have a preference of me voicing over each step, or if you're okay with me kind of coming in with the intro and then dropping in the steps. Some videos, the steps are necessary, like me doing a voiceover for it, and other videos like this, because it's so simple and straight to the point, I don't feel like I need it, but just let me know what your thoughts are down below. Yeah, so enjoy this healthy-ish turkey chili.